Alright, today is day 3 of my commitment to try to upload a video to YouTube every single day. And I can tell you I'm already struggling because the responsibilities of having a family and it's so challenging. What do you think about the event?
Pretty good. Can we go to the Lego store?
And I don't want that to be the storyline or something that holds me back from trying to, make videos and upload. I'm using this as a way to kind of challenge myself to figure out a way to kind of keep making videos and keep telling stories. Because I don't want this YouTube channel to be 100% about my family and my day. I really want it to be about my professional career and how hard it is to kind of build an audience. I'm trying to challenge myself to kind of figure out some sort of routine, take care of my responsibilities, but yet keep uploading videos to YouTube. I've done this before and I failed. I failed at, making a commitment, even though as a family guy, I think people can relate to the fact that I'm trying to, spend time with my family. I'm going to figure out this routine. See, I'm even trying to do that. Hold on, what? I love you too, son. So, as you see, the challenges of being a father and being a dad that's involved is the most rewarding aspect that I can ask for. Leaving a job that I cared about and spending time with family is rewarding. You made a commitment to leave a job to spend time with the family. It's totally rewarding, but at the same token, I think for every guy, they want to accomplish big goals. They want to have big dreams. It's so challenging at this point. It would be much easier to commit to making a video on YouTube way before I had kids, 10 years ago, when I had the time and I had the freedom to kind of make as many videos as I want. Part of this process is figuring out how to make stuff engaging but telling stories and telling stories of what I'm experiencing. I find that I'm struggling. It's only day 3 of this new commitment, and before the day's over I gotta spend time with family, I gotta get them ready for bed, and then I gotta go to the editing of something I did yesterday. I'm gonna have to kind of figure this out. I'm just not going to give up. In my process, in my videos, I'm going to be open and honest in this vlog and tell you, what I'm experiencing and the problems that I'm facing as I tell better stories. And so I'm going to be open and honest in this process. I think it's the only way to do it. It's only day 3 and I'm struggling. I do have some exciting things coming up this week. Today's Saturday. I got some exciting things coming up. I got some people that want to work on some videos together. Very cool stuff. I get to engage in new businesses and do some research and then figure out how to make some engaging videos that you guys are going to watch. But that's next week, and I just got to get through this weekend and find some cool, engaging stuff. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'm going to try to be open and honest as I make this vlog. I hope you can learn something from it, and I can motivate you to kind of take a camera, open up, reveal yourself, and share it, because we all shoot video, but we all don't edit it. We all don't put it on YouTube to share, and I want to do that in a professional sense with the backdrop of being my family. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the real world.